Good day friends, welcome to another session in my home kitchen. Today I am going to show you Chole Bhature. First we'll prepare Bhature, then we'll prepare Chole. So let's quickly look into the ingredients for the Bhature. 2 cups refined flour or maida, 1 cup sour yogurt. For sour yogurt, keep the yogurt outside for overnight in a warm place. You can use your oven or micro oven. 2 teaspoon oil, you can use any vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon yeast, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of semolina or suji, 2 teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste. Let's start our process. We'll warm the milk for 10 seconds. In this lukewarm milk, we put little bit of sugar and 1 teaspoon of active yeast. Cover it and rest it for 5 minutes. Now the yeast become floppy. Now we'll knead the dough. Add semolina or suji, add sugar, salt, oil, add curd, now add the yeast. Mix all the ingredients together. Now knead all the dough with your hand. If required, slowly add little bit of water. Now our dough is ready. Put little bit of oil. Now cover this with a clear wrap. And keep this in a warm place for 2 hours. I am going to keep this within the micro oven. Now I will prepare chole. For preparing chole, let's quickly look into the ingredients. We will need vegetable oil. Here I am using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. 3 teaspoon chana masala, 2 cups tomato puree, 6 to 7 baby potatoes. It is optional. If you don't like potatoes, then in that case you can avoid it. 2 large onion, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 5 to 6 green chili cut into lengthwise, 2 inches of ginger julienne, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 butter cube. And our key ingredients, chickpeas. Here I am using 2 cups chickpeas. What I have done, I have soaked the chickpeas for overnight, then I have pressure cooked it. If you like the black color of chickpeas, then while pressure cook, at that time put 2 tea bags or you can put 2 teaspoon of amla. If you have amla, then better to use amla. Amla will give you nice black color and a tangy taste to the chickpeas. Already heated a pan in my workstation. Add oil. Oil become hot. Now I'll fry the onion. While frying the onion, put little bit of salt so that the onion will cook fast. Don't be afraid seeing my large onion pieces. What I will do, we'll fry it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll blend it in a blender. Now cover the lid and wait till the color changes into golden brown. Let's check. Now switch off the stove and cool it down. Now we'll blend it in a blender. Now I'll fry the baby potato. Cover the lid. Now it is ready. We'll keep it aside. Now I'll prepare masala for the chickpeas. I have already heated a pan in my wok. Add a little bit of oil. Oil has hot enough. Now I'll throw ginger garlic paste. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the grinded onion paste. Cook it for 5 minutes. Let's check this. Add tomato puree. Give it a nice mix. Add salt according to your taste. Cook it till the excess water evaporate. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder and kasuri methi. Give it a nice mix. Stir it for a while. Add potato and chickpea. Give it a nice mix. Now cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. While our chole is cooking, in between this we'll prepare some tadka for this chole. So for this we need to add butter. Butter has melted nicely. Add the ginger julienne, green chilies, stir it for a while. Now in this melted butter we'll add our coriander powder, chana masala and the garam masala. Stir it. While frying masala, little bit careful, it should not be burned. Now we'll pour this masala above this chana. Pour this masala above it. Give it a nice mix. Add little bit of water on it. Give it a mix and in low flame cook it for 5 minutes so that all the spices flavor will go into the chickpeas properly. Our chole is ready now. Now I'll prepare bhature. Let's check our dough. It's been 2 hours. Our dough is ready. Now take some dough and roll it in your hand. Put this dough above a wooden space, or you can use your slab also. Now I'll roll it. If your dough is sticky, then use little bit of oil. Now we'll deep fry this. Already I have heated some oil in my workstation. Now I'll put this bhature. Look at this. Like this we'll prepare all the bhature. Yummy chole bhature is ready. To try it in home and please subscribe. Don't forget to give your valuable comments. Bye for now and have a good day ahead.